morning, everyone. It is actually my birthday today. I'm 23, and for some reason I felt like vlogging, so here we are. Just wanted to show you my outfit because I put a lot of thought into it and I think it came out really cute. I don't know, it's just what I felt like wearing. Also, I'm just in shock because I put this temporary tattoo, and I have another one right here, on maybe like a week ago, and I cannot believe it's still on. But it is. It's not a bad thing. It's just, yeah, it's interesting. I got these for Christmas, so that's where the tattoos have come from. You can see, obviously, I cut out these ones. I don't really have a plan for today. I do have some gifts that I'm going to open, and I'd like to maybe try out a new trail in my area that I haven't been to yet and take a nice walk outside, but we'll see. I'm about to clean my work shoes with the magic eraser. I take a walk every lunch, and sometimes I'll walk in nature, so they get a little dirty. And then also on the road there are these little pebbles that get stuck in my shoes, so I might try to fish those out. Here are the finished shoes and the big mess I made. Gift opening time. Let's see what we got here. For my mom and my dad, and it says enjoy the shower curtain. Oh, I'm stoked. Gonna have to put this up later. We got one more. Happy birthday from my brother. I think it might be a puzzle. Following my retro theme that I've been loving lately. You just saw me open 2 gifts from Amazon, but I opened some other things off camera because I have been known to accidentally leak my address, and I need to stop doing that. So, the aftermath. Running from the future here, the first thing I got was these pair of sunglasses, and I'm really excited about these because I wear sunglasses literally every single day, and I have a pair of sunglasses that I've been wearing since 2019, so it's been almost 4 years. Same brand, which is Knock Around. They're 100% polarized. They're really good quality, clearly, since I've had them for like 4 years and they still work and everything. And they are really affordable. They're around like $25. The only reason why I really wanted new ones is because the ones I have are showing signs of wear. Then I also got the We're Not Really Strangers Self-Love Edition. I thought that this was really cool. I've heard a lot of YouTubers recommending this. They'll recommend just kind of like the general one that you can play with friends or the couples version, but I'm single, so I thought the Self-Love Edition would be really cool. And I actually want to open it right now and see what the dealio is. Look at that. Inside, we're all the same. Open up. Self-love is about calling ourselves out on our own shit, not just everyone else's. It's about being kind to ourselves even when we mess up, and appreciating ourselves even when no one else does. Add this addition to your self-love practice. Answer these questions at your own pace. Journal your answers or play with a friend who is also on their self-love journey. Revisit these questions as often as you need. The more we love ourselves, the easier it becomes to give and receive love from others. Ready? All right. It's like a rounded rectangle. And here's an example. Write a love letter to yourself. Take as much time as you need. Place somewhere safe. Open when you need it most. So these are going to be really, really cool. I'm excited about these. I also want to show you this really cool card I got from my grandma. My parents got me this one. This one's really cool. As soon as I saw it, I was like, ooh, are we going like tarot over here? And we are. Woo! Hope your day is magical. This one is from my grandparents on my dad's side. They also got me a little Valentine's Day decoration piece. This could go really great on a cabinet or something. This is from my best friend, and she also got me a little Valentine's Day card too, which is super thoughtful. All right, that's basically what I got for my birthday. I also got some cash which is always acceptable. So now I'm gonna put up the shower curtain. I'm really stoked about this because I've just had the clear liner in there for the past 2 months, and I think this is really gonna pull the bathroom together. Definitely gives a bit of a farmhouse vibe. I'm really loving it. It is a little short, but I don't think it's the curtain's fault. My parents actually recommended I get like an extra long liner when we went to the store when I was moving in. And they found out very quickly when they went to go put it up that it was too long, but it was kind of too late. So they moved the bar up. You can tell it was right here and they moved it up. So maybe at some point I'll get an actually correct length liner and then we can move it down and then it will fit a little bit better, but it still looks really cute. I'm excited about it. This is such a dietitian thing to do, but in the Knock Around Sunglasses little pamphlet that came with it, there's a recipe for pineapple lemonade. So I'm going to cut this out. I think that would be fun to try. They have an alcoholic one and a non-alcoholic, and I don't drink alcohol, so non-alcoholic it is. All right, there it is. If you want to try it too, I'm gonna put it with the rest of the recipes that I want to try but have not yet. Just want to quickly show you the difference. So if you've been watching me or been around me at all, you've definitely seen these. So these have been my go-tos since 2019. They're also Knock Around. New ones, these gorgeous pink specimens. By the way, if you're wondering about the wear, you can see there's like some black marks around here. I don't know what that's from. I almost feel like whatever the reflective stuff is coming off. So that's really why I wanted some new ones. Buy sunglasses. Big initiation right here. It's going into my main sunglasses case. All right, here is my birthday lunch. We've got this really yummy caprese. I think it's got a caprese sandwich. It's got some basil pesto, some tomato, and then this is just whole wheat bread that I brushed olive oil on the outside of and then cooked in a pan. Some asparagus with Parmesan cheese and a strawberry banana smoothie. I'm outside. It's my first time on this trail. I actually missed the parking lot turnoff twice. It was really hard to find, but I'm here. It's a bit steep for me. Like, it's a lot of uphill right now and a lot of rocks, but I'm still enjoying being out in nature, so that's definitely a positive. I'm getting my vitamin D. I am surrounded by leaves and trees, as you can see, and a beautiful blue sky, and it's really nice out too. Like, it's February, but it's 40 degrees out. It's really nice. This is trail number 2. I'm liking it better so far. We already have a water source and there's not as many rocks on the floor, so I actually can look around and enjoy the scenery. But let me proceed and see how I like the rest of it. All right, I am heading back to the car right now. Trail number 2 is definitely my favorite of the day, and I think I will come back here. I'm really interested to go the other way because there were 2 different directions I could have gone at the beginning, and I just chose one. The other one looked like there was a bridge on it, and I don't know, I couldn't really see far enough out to see what the trail was like after that, but I decided to go the other way. So I would love to come back and go the other direction. Also, this direction that I went, it went even further than when I stopped and turned around. Like, I think you could make the walk as long or as short as you want. So I think this could be a good place to come back. I would also be interested in trying other trails, but I would say this was pretty successful today. Back in my kitchen, it is almost 6 already. Wow, I was on Instagram for a while. Anyway, I am making my favorite meal since it is my birthday, and that is pasta. I've got some whole grain spaghetti, and I always have that with Parmesan cheese shredded. And then normally I would say like my favorite meal is that, what I just said, with blanking, garlic bread and Caesar salad. Now I don't have Caesar dressing, but I do have stuff to make a salad, so I will do that. And then I don't have garlic bread, but I do have my famous butter crescent rolls, so I'll have one of those, and that will complete my meal. Just waiting for this to boil, and then we will add our pasta. Finished meal looks like this. Time for my birthday treat, which clearly I didn't wait for. Oh no. Cheers. The skylight is on, which means that I'm about to work out. This is my workout outfit. I just gotta turn this light off out here. And I'm gonna be doing a cardio workout from Team Body Project. This is the Team Body Project workout that I am doing. I have not done this one before, but it does say I need dumbbells. However, it is my cardio day, so I will not be using dumbbells. Let's go. Just finished my workout, and at one point, Daniel, the trainer from Team Body Project that I was working out with, goes, "Oh, that was remarkably difficult." This is why I love Team Body Project. Highly recommend. Let's see. Which flavor do I want today? Actually, I think we will go with Boston cream pie. It's my favorite.
Coming up, it is because other people have been stealing your energy.
It's late and I'm tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. If you want to watch more vlogs from me, like this one that you've seen today, then make sure to check out my setting up my apartment vlog next. You can also keep up with me on Instagram at moniqueava.nutrition. My name is Monique, and thank you for watching.